Welcome back. Continuing the news. The Ministry of Education has promised to assist teachers with phone credit this school term. Amidst that commitment, though, is a warning to schools that select study materials this year are to remain free for the students. Dwayne Anderson has the details.
The last school term ended several months ago, but the cries of teachers are still fresh in the minds of many persons. One of the educators' biggest complaint was that they had to use their own money to buy credit to connect with students and parents. The Ministry of Education says it will address that problem this semester.
We will be providing teachers with credit on their phones so that they can be in touch with parents and students. I know in the last term that was an issue with teachers saying they're using up their own personal credit. The ministry is stepping forward to ensure that teachers get some assistance with credit.
But that's not all. The Minister of Education, Favour Williams, says she also recognizes the tough time many parents are having in preparing their children for back to school. It is why the government has made policy changes for critical learning material that will be used this school term.
This year as well, we are providing the worksheets, the workbooks. Normally parents would have to buy that, but the ministry at the primary level is ensuring that it provides these worksheets to parents, to the students at no cost.
Among the other policy decisions for the upcoming school term is the use of TV stations like TVJ for the broadcast of lessons. Parents and students are being advised to monitor social and traditional media for the schedules. The Education Minister was speaking at the Mineral Heights Primary in Clarendon Thursday, where 41 tablets were given to students from schools in southeast Clarendon. Most of the tablets come with cards for internet access.
You're giving access by providing the tools with the equipment for people to use the SIM cards to get data and get online. You're providing the printed material for those who don't have the equipment or who don't have access online. And you're providing support for the parents and teachers to be able to deliver the teaching experience.
And with connectivity a major issue in many parts of the island, teachers and students are likely to face challenges online, which is why one corporate citizen is telling Jamaicans that now is not the time to be selfish with those Wi-Fi passwords at home or at their offices.
Please do not say we cannot do much. Our little help. Because if you have, for example, Wi-Fi at your home and there is a child living in your neighborhood or close to you that does not have internet access, you can make your password available to assist the situation.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.